beautiful and serene, where luxury meets affordability. A world designed just keeping you in mind. Welcome to Praveens Luxuria. Praveens Luxuria is located near Beeramguda on Ellenki Engineering College Road, just 20 minutes drive from the financial district and IT hub in Gachibowli, connecting MNCs, prominent healthcare centers, educational institutions and internationally acclaimed sports centers. Praveens Luxuria is spread across 37 acres and offers 550 unique 3 and 4 BHK duplex villas. Set amidst this picturesque landscape are villas in plots ranging from 150 to 210 square yards. All the duplex villas are well planned and are surrounded by a wide range of amenities developed exclusively for you. If the exteriors of contemporary villas are elegant, the interiors are designed to pamper you with comfy ambience. The spacious drawing room extends a warm welcome the moment you step inside. The villas are spacious, well ventilated, Vastu compliant and full of life. The bedroom on the ground floor can accommodate your guests should they need to stay over. On the first floor is a lounge, which is exclusively for your family members. The master bedroom is spacious with walk-in wardrobe and an attached bathroom adorned with premium fixtures. The kids' room is bright and vibrant with all the right things in the right places. On the second floor is the home theatre for you to enjoy the latest blockbuster with your friends and family. The specially built kids' play areas will ensure that your little ones don't spend all their energy at home. Our fully integrated clubhouse hosts the best of facilities that you have always wished for. Hit the well-equipped gym, burn the extra calories and stay fit. Play all the exciting indoor games and make new friends within the neighborhood. Practice yoga and meditate whenever you like to feel blissful. After all the action, take a plunge into the inviting swimming pool and unwind. If you are in a mood to celebrate, entertain your guests in style at the banquet hall. Accommodate your friends and relatives comfortably in the guest rooms. We also have a salon and a convenience store for your everyday needs. Praveens Luxuria offers all the comforts right at home so that you get more out of life. It is the perfect place that offers great value and leaves little to bargain for. So, come to Praveens Luxuria and start living the way you always wanted to. For more details, please contact